인사에 어둘까봐 시작해야 서른 없이 집은 사양할게요.
Good morning, everyone. I am Jevialyn Mabules, and our topic for today is the right and privileges of all teachers. But before we proceed to that, let me show you all of this. And now, let's proceed to our topic. First, let me discuss to you the Commonwealth Act number 578, or also known as Person in Authority. This law recognizes supervisors, teachers, and professors of public and recognized private schools as person in authority. Any persons guilty of assault made directly or indirectly upon a supervisor, teacher, or professor will be subject to penalty or imprisonment ranging from 6 months and 1 day to 6 years and fine from 500 pesos to 1,000 pesos. This means that teachers cannot be attacked physically when performing their duties. This law protects the teachers from being physically harmed by parents and other individuals who may have grudges against them. Why is it teachers are called person in authority? Teachers shall be deemed persons in authority when in the discharge of lawful duties and responsibilities, and shall therefore be accorded due respect and protection. The person's name in the preceding article shall exercise reasonable supervision over the conduct of the child. This means that we should treat our teachers respectfully and the authority must protect them. And as I've read the RA 4670, other known as the Magna Carta for Public School Teachers, details the rights, privileges, and benefits of teachers such as maternity leave, study leave, outside teaching, vacation and sick leave, compulsory insurance, vacation pay, service credit, salary loans, free medical consultations, cost of living and hardship allowance, compensation for injuries, joining teachers, organization, enjoy academic freedom, working hours for teachers, and retirement benefit, and lastly, tenure of office. First, let's discuss the maternity leave. Regular teachers with 2.5 more years of service are entitled 60 days of maternity leave with full pay, while those with less than 2.5 years of service are entitled of 60 days with half pay. Temporary teachers with at least 2 years of service are entitled to 60 days of maternity leave with half pay. Study leave. A 1-year study leave with pay shall be granted to a teacher who has rendered at least 7 years of satisfactory teaching. Magna Carta's Section 24 states, during the period of such leave, the teacher shall be entitled to at least 60% of his salary, provided, however, that no teacher shall be allowed to accumulate more than 1 year study leave, unless he needs an additional semester to finish his thesis for a graduate study in education or allied courses, provided further that no compensation shall be due the teacher after the first year of such leave. Outside teaching. The department allows public school teachers to teach in private evening classes in not more than 12 hours a week, in addition to the regular loads in their own school. Vacation and sick leave. Vacation and sick leave are cumulative and any part which may not be taken with the school calendar year may be carried over to the succeeding year. A sick teacher who has used his accrued leave privileges is entitled to go sick leave without pay. Vacation pay. All teachers except those who are on vacation and sick leave basis are on the teacher's leave basis. They are all entitled to pay during the Christmas and long vacations. Temporary teachers who have served at least 6 months are also entitled to vacation pay. Teachers' vacation pay may be commuted or paid in advance. Compulsory insurance provides for life and retirement insurance. Membership in the GSIS is compulsory upon all teachers except those who are substitute upon all regularly and permanently appointed school employees. Service credits. A teacher on the teacher's leave basis is given service credit when he is asked to work during the vacation period. This service credit may be used to offset past and future absence due to illness or other reasonable causes. Salary loan. Public school teachers are allowed to borrow money from the government insurance system, an amount not to exceed this month's salary. Free medical consultations. The public school teachers are required to have annual physical checkup. They are given free medical consultation by the school physician. Compensation for injuries. Teachers are protected against consequences of employment injuries. The effects of the physical and nervous strain in the teacher's health shall recognize as a compensable occupational disease in accordance with the existing laws. Service credits. A teacher on the teacher's leave basis is given service credit when he is asked to work during the vacation period. This service credit may be used to offset past and future absence due to illness or other reasonable causes. Enjoy academic freedom. Teachers are free to use any method of teaching they think best for their pupils. Likewise, they are free to experiment and express the result of their experiment. Joining teachers' organization. Public school teachers shall have the right and without previous authorization to freely to establish or to join organizations. And that's all the rights and privileges of teachers. I hope you learned something about my topic. Thank you for watching.